100-word YouTube script about the 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan, without headings or intro/outro phrases, as you requested. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan is here, and it continues to build on the legacy of one of the world's most popular compact cars. With a refreshed design, new tech features, and improved efficiency, the 2025 model keeps things smart, stylish, and practical. On the outside, the 2025 Corolla gets subtle but effective styling tweaks. The front fascia has been sharpened with a sleeker grille and more modern-looking headlights. It's not a radical redesign, but it gives the car a more refined, premium appearance. The rear also gets updated taillights and a slightly reshaped bumper for a cleaner look. You'll notice some new paint options and alloy wheel designs that help keep the Corolla feeling fresh. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla sticks with its reliable powertrain options. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, producing around 169 horsepower. It's paired with a smooth CVT transmission, and front-wheel drive remains standard. For those focused on fuel economy, a hybrid variant is still available and offers excellent mileage, especially for city commuters. Inside the cabin, Toyota has made some nice upgrades. The 2025 Corolla comes with an updated infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen, now measuring up to 10.5 inches on higher trims. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster is also improved, giving drivers more control and information at a glance. Comfort and quality are solid, with soft touch materials in all the right places and improved seat padding for longer drives. Rear seat space is good for a compact sedan, and trunk capacity remains practical for daily use. Toyota continues to prioritize safety, with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite included as standard. This means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more advanced driver assistance features come with every trim. The 2025 Corolla Sedan doesn't try to reinvent itself, it sticks to what works, but with just enough updates to stay relevant in today's market. For drivers looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and well-equipped compact car, the new Corolla remains a top choice. With its combination of durability, value, and features, it's no surprise the Corolla continues to be a global favorite. Let me know if you'd like a version in a more casual tone or formatted for voice-over delivery.